Hey everybody, this is Jim Buck with Black Shoes Camper out of Southern California in the City of Industry. I just got back from camping with the Scouts, so I'm a little on the horse side, but I'm just here to let you know that we're back out on the road again. We're heading out to Elkhart, Indiana for the Elkhart Open House, September 23rd through September 26th. We're gonna take everything out there with us. We're looking at our Sergeant, we're looking at the Alpha, the Dominator, the Patron, the Classic 12 behind me, the HQ 12 over here, the HQ 15, the HQ 17, the HQ 19, the HQ 19T. We're also, for the first time at a trade show, gonna be taking our Classic Double, and we're gonna be taking our HQ 22T, our other much bigger toy hauler. So if you're in the area and you're available, you maybe come by and see it. But we're gonna be out there. We have a few other shows we're gonna be coming out for, but we just wanna make sure that you guys know that we're still here and we're still looking for creating adventures with you. So come on out, see the things we have. Take care, everybody. Again, this is Jim Buck with Black Shoes Camper in Southern California. Have a great day, everybody.